5 Best Remote Controls. Here is the product number 5. TCL ROKU Roku TV Remote Control Netflix. Condition: new. Type: TV remote. Channel: 1. Frequency: 433 MHz. Material: ABS material. Color: as shown. Quantity: 1x remote control, requires 2x AAA batteries, batteries are not included. Unit type: piece. Here is the product number 4. RC280 for TCL ROKU LED HDTV Remote Control. New original RC280 for TCL ROKU LED HDTV Remote Control for Netflix. Brand name Smarts. Package S. Channel: 3. Use TV. Frequency: 433 MHz. Wireless communication. Model number: RC280. Here is the product number 3. 2 PCs/LED new remote control for TCL ROKU LED. Brand name Shangzihua. Package S. Use TV. Frequency: 433 MHz. Wireless communication. Channel: 1. Model number RC280. 2 PCs/LED new remote control for TCL ROKU LED HDTV RC280 for Netflix. Here is the product number 2. Universal TV Remote Control Smart Black Plastic. This is high-grade remote control for Roku. No programming is required, just fit the batteries in. This is the brand new replacement remote control and it covers all the functions of original remote. Requires 2 batteries, size AAA, not supplied. Color: black. Size: approximately 14 by 4 cm/5.51 by 1.57 inches. Here is the product number 1. 1 PC new replacement remote control. TV remote control for LG. New replaced remote, but function same as original. No programming and manual needed. Perfectly replace your broken or old one. Size: approximately 140 x 4020 mm/5.51 x 1.57 x 0.78 net weight: approximately 44 grams. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.